I think, hope you are keeping well. So today's topic is quadratic equation. Okay, this is a very important chapter of math. So listen very carefully. It's very easy. So listen carefully. If not, then you can ask me 100 times. First question: what is quadratic equation? Listen, the equation which has 2 as the highest power of the unknown quantity is called a quadratic equation. Look, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the equation, okay, where a, b and c, these three are known as real numbers. What number? Real numbers. Have you understood? Okay, very good. So this is known as quadratic equation. Okay? The quadratic equation having 2 types. If you ask me what are the different type of quadratic equation, these are 2 types. One is known as pure, P-U-R-E, pure. Another is known as affected, A-D-at, F-E-C, affected quadratic equation. Got it? Very good. So for example, if you ask me pure quadratic equation and affected, suppose affected means this one, ax square power 2, then bx power 1, then c equal to 0. So x2, x1, this is known as affected. And pure example, only the power of 2 is present. Clear? This is the difference. Pure mean only 2. And whenever it is affected, so power 2 and power both 1 are present. So what is quadratic equation and what are the different type of it? Clear? Okay, well done. Now we will proceed the next step, that is how to solve. How to solve. How to solve for quadratic equation. Am I right? Okay, very fine. We are having 2 methods, 1 method and 2 method. First one known is factorization method. Factorization method. Other one known is Sridhar Acharya. What? Sridhar, S-R-E-E-D-H-A-R, Sridhar Acharya, A-C-H-A-R-Y-A apostrophe S. These 2 rules we have to solve for quadratic equation. Clear? Very good. Next you come. This is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation you just told me, isn't it? Where a, b, c, these are real. Very good. Next you look, if we solve this part, ax square plus bx plus c, then the solution like this, x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice. After solving this equation, we will have this. This is known as Sridhar Acharya rule. Sridhar Acharya rule. And the b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. What? Discriminant. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-N-T. So what is discriminant? Clear? Everybody got it? Okay, well done. Very good. So next, by solving this equation, right now if you ask me to solve this, so follow, just a minute. Dividing both, this is the main equation, dividing both this equation by a. So x square, ax square by a cancel, plus b by a. So we have to arrange like this way. Then x, so b by a plus b by 2a whole square. This is the additional part we are writing. Plus c by a equal to b by 2a whole square. So what we are doing? Adding b by 2a to both sides. After this, adding b by 2a both sides. Okay, very good. This is the formula. Square plus 2ab plus b square. It gives us a plus b whole square. This is a plus b by 2a whole square. Okay. Next, this is coming b square by 4 square. Then plus this will minus. Till this okay? No problem. Very good. So next follow here. So x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, we are taking the LCM. So b square minus 4ac by 4 square. Everybody got it? Okay, well done. Therefore can write x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is coming after taking the square root 2a. Okay? Therefore, x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the system how to get this formula Sridhar Acharya. So x equal to one more line, taking LCM, 2a to a divide 1, so minus b plus minus 2a to a divide 1, so b square minus 4ac. This is known as Sridhar Acharya rule. And as I told you earlier, the b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Clear? Very good, well done. So follow the next step. What is the function of the discriminant b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac will help you to decide whether the roots are real or roots are imaginary, etc. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots should be real and equal. Clear? Fine. Now if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. D-I-S-T-I-N-C-T. Everybody got it? No problem? Very good, well done. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, okay, then no real root, keep it in mind, no real root. That is, the roots are imaginary. Imaginary. So this is the function of discriminant. equal to 0, roots are real and okay. If is common as 4 is here, wherever equal greater than 0, real and distinct. And if it is less than 0, no real root, just imaginary. Okay, real and this is known as equal. Up to this, everybody I think clear? Okay, very good. Now, I am giving you one math, just you can solve it yourself. If not, then I will help you. Okay, normal sum, you just try. Write down x by a plus a by x equal to x by b plus b by x. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, you have to solve it. How? We are taking the LCM ax. Okay, ax dividing a, only x, x multiply x, x square. Clear? Plus ax divide x, only a multiply a square. Got it? Very good. Then b into x, dx. b divide this, only x, so x square, plus bx divide x, only b, the square. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt. Very good. Okay. Next, what I can do, you can cancel this x also, you can cancel. Okay. Then x square plus square by a equal to x square plus b square by b. Am I right? Then take the cross multiplication. X square plus square into b, bx square plus b square equal to multiply ax square plus ab square. Clear this line? No doubt. Very good. Next, bx square. Here is ax square. Take this side, so sign negative, equal to ab square, then plus coming out this side. Clear this line? Okay, very good. Take common here, x square common, so b minus. Okay, here is ab common, b minus. Am I right? Okay, b minus a cancel. So you have x square equal to ab. So x equal to plus minus then ab. Plus minus must. Clear? So this is a quadratic equation with two values, x equal to ab and minus ab. Is it clear? Okay, well done. Any doubt? No. Don't have doubt, no? Very good. Most easiest sum now you can do with the help of Sridhar Acharya. Okay? Copy this one, x square minus x minus 5. We are having two methods to solve. Just I told you, one is factorization method, another is Sridhar Acharya. Okay. First, factorization method. You have 20, take the factor of 20. 4, 5, so 5 into 4, 20, and 5 minus 4, 1. Here is the coefficient of x is 1, right? So this is the condition you have to satisfy. So you can write this minus 5x minus 20. Can we write this? minus 5x plus 4x, coming out minus 6. So how did you get this 5 and 4? Just taking the factor of 20. Clear? Now take common. You are taking common. Okay, these two are same. Okay, well done. Again you have to take common. X minus 5 and x plus 4 equal to 0. Is it clear? Good. The product of two terms 0. That means x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. So we are having x equal to minus 5, then it is plus 5 and x equal to minus 4. Have you understood, everybody? No doubt. Okay, very good. So this is the method of factorization. You just keep it in mind, answer is 5 and minus 4. As I told you, we are having another method, Sridhar Acharya rule. No, follow this rule. This is, here is A. You are A mean the coefficient of x square. Okay. B mean the coefficient of x. And C mean the constant term. Any doubt? No. Very good. So A, B and C you got. So what is the formula? Sridhar Acharya minus B plus minus root b square minus 4ac by twice. Clear? Now we are putting the value b equal to minus 1. Here is minus, so it will become plus. Very good. b1 square minus 4. What is the value of A? 1. What is the value of C? Minus 20. Any doubt? No doubt. Very good. So 1 plus minus. You look, minus minus plus 20 multiplied 4, 80 plus 1, 81. Very good. By 2. Up to this, any doubt? No. Good. What is the root of 81? 9. Good. So you have 1 plus minus 9 and 2. This is the value of x. You look, x equal to one value 1 plus 9 by 2 and another value 1 minus 9 by 2. This is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, 5. And this is minus 8 by 2 equal to minus 2. So by applying Sridhar Acharya, you got two values. One is 5, another is minus 4. And the factorization method, the same value. So today's topic, quadratic equation, I think everybody got the initial idea. No doubt. Fantastic. In the next class, we will discuss the nature of quadratic equation. Okay? Everybody? Okay, chalo, tada, bye, see you on the next class.